Hi friends, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you that how to find x value in ratio equation. Simply I'm st- um, simply I'm teaching you mathematics today. So it's really different from the topic that I make videos. So let's begin. First of all, like I have an equation x. Sorry for the writing because it's really hard to write on the Jamboard. X ratio. This is ratio, okay? X ratio 3 and is equal to 4 ratio 6. Now I'll try to write it clean. So let's start the solution. What we have to do? It's really simple. Just simply multiply this 6 with this x and this 3 with this 4. So it will become x multiplied by 6 and is equal to 3 multiplied by 4. Let's move to the next page. So it will become 6x is equal to 12. Was it 12? Sorry. Yes, it is 12. So, as you know the rule, when we shift a number to the other side of the equation, it changes its signs. So, like 6 is multiplying here with the x. So, when we shift this 6 to the other side of the equation, it will divide with 12. So, it will become x is equal to 12 divided by 6. And as you see, it's really simple. X is equal to 2. So this 2 is the answer. You can see it. For checking it, just put this value in the equation. Like we had the equation 6x. No, sorry. We had the equation x ratio 3 and 4 ratio 6. So 2 ratio 3 is equal to 4 ratio 6. This 2 is x, actually x was we have found it that x is equal to 2. So 2 and 3 can't be more simplified more, so we will just simplify this 4 and x. So 2 ratio 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so it becomes 2 ratio 3. It's look, we have the same answer at both sides, so it means we have done it correctly. Congratulations, you are passed. So I hope my this video will help you in your exams, your assessments, your homeworks. If yes, please subscribe to the channel and make sure to press the bell icon to get notified when I upload more new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.